Hello students, hope you all are doing good. So on 31st and 1st of this previous month, we completed WRD HKAE exam and key answers have also been released officially in the KPSC website. So when we went through the key answers, so we found discrepancies in some of the questions. So the students want to put the challenge for all those questions. So in this particular video, we have listed the questions which you can challenge. Okay, and for challenging, the KPSC has given the last date, that is 10th August 2021 in the evening 5:30. So by 5:30, they should receive your challenged questions through the speed post. And when we went through the questions, we found that in some of the questions, the data were missing, and in some of the questions, in the numerical kind of, wherein the answers were not matching, and in some of the questions, there were some errors in the questions actually. So we have made all the list wherein I will be showing the solutions what we have made. So you can just go through the solutions, and again if there are any discrepancies we can discuss. So when we went through the document what they have released with respect to challenging the questions, so they are saying ki they have to receive the description of every question from the specified authors. So you cannot send the explanation of any coaching institute or your handwritten notes. Okay, so I will be running through all the 19 questions. So we will discuss all those things, and at the end what I want to suggest is, okay, so whichever books you are having, like there are some errors from surveying, from structures, so from environmental, so there are some errors, and if you are having those author books, so take the screenshot or take the pic of that and send me over WhatsApp, so that I will attach all these descriptions in my website, and then you can challenge. So we can complete this entire process by today evening or tomorrow afternoon. Then you can take the print of that, and then you can do the speed post to the KPSC. So this is the most simple way. Yakandra students ಏನು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರೋ, like they have completed engineering 2 or 3 years before and they don't have any author books. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬುಕ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಬುಕ್ದಾಗಿಂದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬರೀ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆನೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಥರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಅದಾವು, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, and along with that I will mention from which book you are taking. So we need the title of that book, author name, as well as the page from which you are taking the description. Let's do the work very very systematically. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಕತ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬುಕ್ ಅದಾವು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ and again I will share those proofs to you guys through our website. You take print and then you can speed post it to the KPSC. By this we can reduce our work. Okay, all the 19-20 questions ಒಬ್ಬರ ಕಡೆನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದು, ದಟ್ ಟು ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಥರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವೇ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ cumulatively, and you can speed post as early as possible, because by 10th your objection questions or the solution should reach to the KPSC. All right. And along with this, at the end, I will be discussing expected cutoff also. I am using the word expected cutoff because I am receiving lot of calls from the students. So this is what our analysis is based on previous cutoff and all. So we are trying to give certain range. So if you fit into those range, that is well and good, or else better luck for the next time. And we have already started the classes for RDPR and all the upcoming exams. So if you want, you can join the classes online as well as offline mode. So now let's see the questions which you can challenge upon. Okay, so now this is the official KPSC website wherein you will be getting all the updates with respect to the KPSC. Okay, so you have the notification barli, result barli, all of them will be updated here only. So you can keep visiting this particular website. Okay, so now, and whatever the information will be given in this particular website, you should trust only that, not some other PDFs or something like that. So now let's see this first link. So in this first link they are saying ki this is what is the KPSC key answers they have released. So that letter they have attached here. Now if you click the second link, so here they can say that key answers are published. So now these are the key answers. So on that particular day, a lot of other exams also happened, like pharmacy and all. So now if you click hours, I think it is 428. So 428 is our AE paper. So now whichever the booklet number series you are having, ABCD, so you can see and then you will get to know the key answers. So it is clearly mentioned ki for every wrong question, so there will be, the candidate will lose 1/4 of the marks. So that means the questions are 2 marks, so you will be losing 0.5 marks per question. So these are the key answers what they have released. But when we went through the key answers, so we found some discrepancies. So let's see which are they actually. And now for those, you can leave a objection. This is the objection format which they have given. So you have to mention your name, your registration number, that means your hall ticket, and for which exam you have applied, that is for AE technical, and your postal address, your phone number. Okay, and now if you see here, so these are the key answers which the KPSC have released. So previous one in document itala. So for example, first question wrong ittandre, you should write here as question number 1. So other the option 2 or kottidare, you should write here as 2. And now if you see here, then you should write your answer as, for example, if it is 3, then you should write here as 3 and write the justification of that, not more than 100 words. So now let's see the questions which you can challenge. So now the very first question, that is the third question, is working out exact quantities of the various items of the work. So there is little bit grammatical ambiguity in this particular question. So as per us, it should be estimation, but they are saying that the option 1 is correct by KPSC. So you can challenge this. And the same way, the next question. So I won't be reading all the questions because we don't have much time. We need to work on the things. So now the KPSC is giving this as the correct answer. But as per us, so the correct answer should be 270 mm. So you can see the reason for that, because it should be whichever is minimum. So the minimum will be 270. Hence the correct answer is option 2. Now for this, if you see, so there is lot of ambiguity with respect to this particular question. So when you read all the options, you feel like all the options are right. But KPC is saying that option 2 is right. But when you do still more accurate analysis, so we feel that option 3 is right. Okay, so as per us, we feel option 3 is right. Next, 32nd question. So these questions are from series B. Okay, remember all the order, they are from series B. So now when you see this particular question and try solving, so your answer should be this one. That is 17,100 kg. But here none of the options match. So hence we cannot give the correct answer, or maybe there is some typing mistake. It should have been one more zero would have been added in this particular option. Next, 42 question. So when you read this question, so you can see that this should be the correct answer. That is, it increases the compressibility. But KPSC has given option 3 as the right answer. Next, 52nd question. So when you read this, so here data is missing. That is the number of piles. It is missing. So when you consider 9 as the number of piles here, then only you will get the correct answer as option 4. So if kotte ididilla andre, then you will not reach this. So data missing. Okay na? Now when you read the next question, so you can see that when we do the calculation, so we are getting this as the correct answer. So which is not there in any of the options. But KPSC is saying this as the right answer. So you can challenge this question as well. And this question is very simple question. So as per them, this is the right answer. But the correct answer is 1.676 meters, which is a railway engineering question. So here you can see this is the justification. Broad gauge 676. Okay. Rangavala yavdo ಒಂದು book ಐತಿ. So you can take the photo from that book and then you can leave. You can send me. Next, if you read this question, so the KPSC is giving this as the correct answer. But as per us as well as per the students, it is 2.68. So this is what is the calculation which is given. So your answer should be option 1. Next, 65th question. So KPSC is giving first as the second right answer. Okay, but when we do the calculation, so you are getting this, that is second option as the correct answer. Now this particular question is having lot of ambiguity. We are not able to get the right answer, but KPSC is saying that option 2 is the right answer. So if you have any justification for this, you can challenge. Next question, again very easy question. So they are saying it as the none of the above, but as per us, the option 1 should be correct. And again in the next question, KPSC is saying option 1 is the right, but as per us, as well as per the data what we have, option 3 should be the right answer, where the justification is given here. Next question here, actually option is correct only, but they have done the spelling mistake. It should be ravies. Okay, so because when we are writing any competitive exam, there should not be any mistake in these kind of words. There can be some grammatical mistakes like in badli is, this, that, avella irbodu, but there should not be any mistake in these kind of terms. Okay, it should be ravies. So if you want, you can challenge, or else there is no any change in the option. That is option 3 is the correct answer straight away. It's up to you, students. Now in the next question, if you see, KPSC is saying third as the right answer, but actually option 1 is the correct answer, that is 2. Next question, again there is ambiguity in this, but KPSC is saying that option 1 is right. So if you have any right calculation for this, and if you get option 1 as the correct answer, then you can leave it, no need to challenge. And now this is very, very important. Data is missing, that is 135 kilonewton. So when you read the question, nowhere they have used the word as 135 kilonewton, as well as they haven't mentioned anything about this in the figure also. But when you take 135 kilonewton horizontal force at Q and calculate, then you are getting the answer as 15.69 mm. So that time you will get. Okay. And the next question, if you see, the lateral friction, coefficient of lateral friction should be 0.15 always. So everywhere, even if they don't give the in the question, still you can assume it as 0.15 and you can calculate. So when you calculate, you will get the answer here as this one, that is option 1 only, which the KPSC is also giving. So if you have done it as option 1, that is well and good. But some students, okay, ನೀವು 0.5 ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, that time you will get it as a negative answer. So such students, you can challenge it. Hope you are getting me right. So error data, you can object it. So next question, very, very simple survey question. So KPSC is saying that option 4 is right, but everyone knows option 1 is right. W square L by 24 P square, which I have answered, or which I have taught in our video lectures in surveying. So very simple question. So these are all the questions which you can challenge. So if any of your juniors are in final year, ask them to go to college library, get the books, do something. There are 19 questions. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು just one 2-3 questions ಉದ್ದೂನು ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ within 2-3 hours we can get the official answers or the proof answers for all the questions. Then you can challenge it. Everyone work will be very much easy by doing this. And along with this, some of the students are talking about 2 more questions, that is one on surveying, included angle, and another question is from environmental engineering, that is the distance of the manhole. So because in manhole the distance depends on the diameter obviously. So if you guys want to challenge those 2 more questions also, you can challenge, just send me the proof. Daily I am getting 20 to 30 calls with respect to this only. So as per our analysis, we can rate it something like this as the expected cutoff. For general merit, you can expect as 200 to 210. For general merit women category, 180 to 190. General merit rural, 180 to 190. And again, if you have Kannada medium, something like that, okay, general merit rural Kannada medium, you can expect 10 marks less to this. OBC 180 to 190, OBC woman 170 to 180. And if you have category like for example 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, ಈ type categories ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, so you can expect 160 above. SC category 170 to 180, ST 160 to 170, SC woman 130 to 140. So again ನಿಮ್ದು SC woman ಅಥವಾ ರೂರಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you can reduce 10 marks and you can calculate accordingly. Okay students, so this is what I wanted to discuss in this particular video. So now let's start working to get the correct answers for all the questions which you are going to challenge. And again in the evening I will be making one more video once I get all the proofs for all the questions. So this is what I wanted to share. All the very best.